Tell us in what minute of the video you spotted the French fry doodle who tried to run away. In the warm, bustling heart of the Doodland kitchen, just between the vegetable drawer and the snack cupboard, lived a potato named Spudley. A plump, round, cheerful doodle potato with freckles shaped like tiny stars. He lived with the other potatoes in the famous tater tub, a comfy bowl lined with napkins and decorated with doodle stickers. Spudley was like most potatoes, soft, earthy, warm-hearted, but he had one unusual secret. He loved French fries. Not in a creepy, I-want-to-eat-them way, not at all. He adored them the way humans adore celebrities, or the way kids love cartoons. French fries, in Spudley's eyes, were the coolest food in all of Doodland. Crispy, golden, salted to perfection, perfectly stackable, perfectly snackable, perfectly aesthetic. And the strange thing? The French fry doodles loved him too. Spudley's room was covered in fry posters. Curly fries, waffle fries, crinkle fries, straight fries. Each one smiling back at him with doodle eyes and goofy fry grins. He collected fry stickers, fry drawings, fry socks, fry-themed toothbrushes, and even had a mini lamp shaped like a glowing fry. Every night when the humans went to sleep and the kitchen came alive, Spudley quietly snuck out of the tater tub and waddled toward the fry box, a tall cardboard container where the doodle fries lived. Inside, the fries were always partying, jumping, dancing, crunching, flicking salt like confetti. They were loud, dramatic, ridiculous, and Spudley loved every second of it. To him, the fries were rock stars. But the fries? They just thought Spudley was adorable. "Look, Spudley's here!" shouted Crinkle Carl, waving his zigzag arms. "Someone get him a seat!" yelled Curly Sue, spiraling onto the counter like a spring. "He's our #1 fan!" sang Shoestring Stevie, the thinnest fry who acted like a string bean. But Spudley wasn't always so confident about his fry obsession. Sometimes the other potatoes teased him. "Spudley, you do realize what fries are, right?" said Mash, the serious potato. Spudley sighed. "Yes, but they're doodles. I'm a doodle too. It's not weird, it's admiration." Mash raised a brow. "It's weird." Spudley puffed up. "It's love." Mash stared. "Weird love." Still, Spudley didn't care. The fries made him happy, and he made them laugh. But one morning, something happened that would shake the entire Doodland kitchen. A human entered the kitchen early. Too early. Way too early. Spudley was still hanging out in the fry box when the human walked in. The fries froze mid-dance. Spudley froze mid-smile. The human reached for the fry box. And Spudley was inside it. He couldn't move. He couldn't breathe. He couldn't scream. The human lifted the fry box, turned toward the stove, and said the scariest words Spudley had ever heard. "Guess I'll make fries for lunch." The fries screamed internally. Spudley nearly fainted. The weird thing was, the human didn't notice the doodles inside the box. Doodles freeze perfectly when humans look at them, like magic survival instinct. The human assumed the box was empty and placed it next to the stove. When the human finally left the room to grab seasonings, the doodles unfroze. "We need a plan!" yelled Crinkle Carl. "We need a miracle!" cried Curly Sue. "We need a getaway vehicle!" shouted Shoestring Stevie. "No," Spudley said bravely. "We need teamwork." The fries looked at him, surprised. Spudley continued. "We can get out of here if we work together. Fries may be crispy, but your hearts are soft." Crinkle Carl placed a crispy hand on his shoulder. "We're with you, potato buddy." The fries formed a tower. A wobbly, salty, crunchy tower. Then, Spudley climbed to the very top and jumped toward the spice shelf. He grabbed a bottle of paprika with all his might. "Ready?" he shouted. "Ready!" the fries shouted back. Spudley tipped the paprika, and a giant cloud exploded everywhere. Red dust flying like fireworks. The human coughed, stepped away, and the doodles used the distraction to tumble off the counter, roll across the flour-covered floor, and hide behind the blender. They escaped, barely, covered in paprika and laughter. After the chaos, the fries looked at Spudley differently. Not as a fan, not as a little potato, but as a hero. "You saved us," said Curly Sue. Spudley blushed. Anyone would have. "No," said Crinkle Carl, "only you would have." From that day on, Spudley was officially named an honorary fry. He wore a tiny fry crown. He joined in fry dance routines. He tossed salt confetti like a pro. He even led the French Fry Friendship Parade every Friday night. The other potatoes stopped teasing him. Some even asked for fry autographs, because Spudley showed everyone that loving something weird doesn't make you weird. It makes you brave, unique, and sometimes a hero in a paprika storm. And if you ever open the fry box at night, you might just catch the fries chanting, "Spudley! Spudley! Spudley!" while he blushes so hard he turns sweet potato orange. In the crazy kitchen of Doodland, friendships don't always make sense, but they always make magic. And Spudley? He proved that even a potato can live a crispy, crunchy, marvelous life.
What is it? Are you out of your mind? I spent all the money on materials. But are you kidding me? I will fire you all without payment. Get out, lowest.
What? Wow!
Invite you refuse. so great today.
Oh, thank you. Oh, my beloved children.
Ah! Yeah! Stop it! I can do this too, look! Hey!
My hair is beautiful. What? Oh no. This hairstyle is even better. Wow. Oh. What? What? Really?
Hey, look, if you don't have any money, pass by.
Someday I will be like this.